Get noodles. Oh! Oh God, be careful.
Access to water.
Now put it in there. Be careful. Stand up.
The next week, the
Stand up.
guys
Baby. Why you do this?
Look at the
We're
noodles.
finishing the underside of our front porch. Cracking and provide a water-resistant barrier. At the same time, we brought in some hot tests.
Don't eat it, Chad. It's hot.
Powder room shower tide.
Hot.